Good morning, students. In today's lecture of R, I am going to discuss about logical operators, in R language. First of all, what are logical operators? If I am writing here print 1 and 0. Now 1 stands for true and 0 stands for false. If this combination is there, let's run the program. The output is false. Now what is the meaning of this? If one of the signal is high and second signal is low, the output is always low, or you can say false. If I am writing print 1 and 1. Now what are the possible combinations? These are the possible combinations. Print 0 and 1, then print 0 and 0. These are the possible combinations. First is 1, second is 0. This one is AND. This combination is AND. Stands for AND. Now execute the program, all the steps. If I am executing this one, now look at the output. The first combination is 1 and 0. The output is false. Then 1 and 1, output is true. 0, 1, output is false. 0, 0, output is false. Now what is the meaning of this? It means if both the signals are high, only then the output is high. Otherwise, the output is low. Or if both the signals are 1, the output is true. Otherwise, the output is false. If I am writing OR here, suppose I am copying this one and paste again. In place of AND, suppose I am writing OR here. OR signal is there. Again execute the program. The meaning of this one is OR. Now execute this one. Check the output again. 1 or 0. Answer is true. 1 or 1, answer is true. 0 or 1, answer is true. 0, 0, answer is false. If means in case of OR, if both the signals are low or both the signals are 0, then the output is 0 or false. Otherwise, the output is 1. This one is AND and OR. What about NOT signal? If I am writing print NOT 0 and print NOT 1. In place of 0, I can print the value as true. If I am writing NOT 1, the answer is false. This one is the basic content of logical operators. Suppose I have to enter one decimal value from user side, and after that conversion of that value into binary number, then I am comparing two binary numbers with the help of logical operators. Then what to do? For that, I have to import the libraries, their tools, and the second one is library binary logic. If these libraries are not there in your R Studio, then go to tools and install packages. You can install the packages their tools, and second package is binary logic. You have to go online for that, and you can download from the net. I have already downloaded these contents. Suppose the first number is 23, then print this value, print A. Now execute the program. First one, then second one. Now look at this value. Again execute the program. First one, second one, then the binary conversion from 23. Look at this number. This one is the binary number 10111. Similarly, you can enter another number. Let the number is B as dot binary. Let the number is 25. Now print this value. Execute the program again. This one is the complete execution. First number 10111, then 11001. This one is 25. Suppose I have to calculate or operate logical operators on these numbers. Let us try with that. Suppose I am printing print A and B. Now check the output. Look at the output now. 1 1, answer is 1. 0 1, answer is 0. 1 0, answer is again 0. 1 0, answer is again 0. 1 1, answer is equal to 1. Now what is the meaning of AND? If the input is 1 1, then answer is 1, otherwise answer is 0. If I am writing OR, again execute the program. You can see here all the ones, because 0 0 is not there in any option. 1 1, 0 1, 1 0, 1 0, 1 1. It means all the answer is equal to 1. If I am writing not A, again execute, the output is 0 1 0 0 0. Now why the output is like this? Look at the input of A. This one is 1 0 1 1. It means answer is 0 1 0 0 0. It means we are inverting this value. If I am printing not B, this one is 0 0 1 1 0, because input is 1 1 0 0 1. You can print the data. You can do all the operations simultaneously. If I am writing here print A and B, the first value, then print A or B, then print not A, print not B. Now execute the program. Look at the output. First one, A and B, then A or B, not A and not B. These are basically the logical operators: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Thanks for watching my video.